Today, we're cooking up shrimp.
Buffalo style.
Deliciously seasoned shrimp, grilled to perfection.
Bathed in classic buffalo wing sauce.
Oh, made only better with homemade blue cheese dressing.
Yeah.
Oh my, I love shrimp, I love wings. Let's bring them together.
Totally.
So
I'm so good.
Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My favorite crustacean loon. crusty loon.
Some days I feel a little crusty.
I know. So, but you're coming out of your shell, I'll tell you that much. So anyway, let's get started. Let's do shrimp.
All right, so we've got a pound of large shrimp here. I'm just gonna stick them in my bowl. And then I've got some oil.
Those are deveined?
Oh, yes, deveined and
tails removed.
Tails are removed. And I'm just gonna use about a tablespoon of olive oil to get these guys all lubed up for my seasoning.
His culinary, terminology is just really spot on.
Hey,
yeah,
they know what I'm talking about.
They do. We all know loon talk. We all know it.
All right, so I've got
that's good.
There, that's all mixed together
Fabulous.
nicely. All right, so in another bowl, I'm going to mix together my seasonings. I have half a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder.
Half a teaspoon each.
Yes, and then I've got a quarter teaspoon, like a healthy quarter teaspoon of paprika, cayenne, and chili powder.
Yum. And that's smoked paprika, if you like it.
So good.
I love it.
And then I'm going to use a little bit of salt. That's about a teaspoon of salt. And then a half a teaspoon of pepper.
These babies
Now, why am I mixing
seasoned.
this all together?
Just because, then you're going to have even distribution.
Oh, okay. Then I'm going to mix it together like this.
There you
so
go.
that you guys can see it.
You did it.
And now I'm just going to put it over my shrimp that's been lubed up. All right. And this is where I'm going to get messy. Okay. There we go. Ooh-wee. Okay.
These are so loaded with flavor. And I'm telling you, you serve these at a party, at a game day.
Amazing.
You won't believe how fast they go.
All right. So now these, I think, are good and coated.
I think they
are. What do
you
think, Chris?
They look great. Those are beautiful.
So now I am going to start to
skewer.
Poke them.
So we love to do these out on the grill. You could easily do that. You could bake them. They only bake in like a nice hot oven for 10 minutes maybe, just till they get perfectly cooked. We like the flavor that the little lick of flame hits them. That's super delicious.
Yes.
We do. But there's many ways you can just cook the shrimp in the seasoning, and then we're going to, like Wesley said, bathe it in this incredible sauce.
All right, I'm going to finish these up. I put 6 on some and 5 on the other.
That's okay.
All right. Those look good.
Those do look good. Those are going to be loaded with flavor.
I love it. All right, I'm going to get this together, take off my gloves.
I tell you, Wesley, you're doing all the work. I like this. It's about time a loon feeds a loon.
Exactly. Now I'm going to just stick these on here, and I'm going to take these out to the grill.
So we've got our grill preheated. We're going to do a direct heat, so right over the heat. And
look at those.
Beautiful.
Look at those bad boys. All right.
You go do that, and as soon as you get them on the grill, I'm going to get started on this sauce.
Okay.
Okay, so he just put the shrimp on the grill. This gives it just enough time to make the sauce. The shrimp only takes about 4 minutes per side. So I've got a third a cup of unsalted butter here that I'm going to put into my saucepan over medium heat. And then I've got a third a cup of your favorite hot sauce. Frank's is traditional and is so good. I love using Frank's. Then I've got a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then we're going to do just a healthy pinch of salt and a nice healthy pinch of pepper. And I'm going to turn this down just a little bit and then just let this melt and really come together, and it's going to simmer for just a little bit. You can do this ahead of time and then reheat it again before you're ready to pour it over the wings. But this is only going to take just as long as it takes for Wesley to get those shrimps ready, and he should be flipping them to the other side right about now. Yay! amazing. Oh, wow.
Look at those, y'all.
Those look so good. Grilled to perfection. All right, are they?
It's a little steamy out there.
Well,
it's cooler, but steamier.
We're in Texas, and it's that time of the year when it's still not it's not cool yet. So we're grilling.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just gonna take these off of the skewers.
You want to grab one? I'll
Sure.
help you. All right.
And just.
There you
Wow,
go.
those look great.
Oh, Chris. There we go. There we go. One more.
Yes. Okay. These are so great for serving. I'm telling you, at parties, people are always like, "What buffalo shrimp?" And it's addictively delicious. All right, so this is that great sauce.
Look at
Just
that
give
deliciousness.
Give it a nice stir to get it all nice. Isn't that magical?
That sauce, y'all. That sauce.
No, it's classic wing sauce.
Crazy.
It's crazy.
It's crazy delicious. Hold on, I'm getting it set up, Chris, for a wonderful,
beautiful presentation. Yep.
Yeah.
Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that.
That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous, and I've got something gorgeous here. Okay.
Okay. All right. I'm just gonna bring these over.
I'm ready for you. Hold on one second. Hold on. Let me get this ready. Okay, and go.
I could just dump.
I'm like, in all transparency, my camera was focusing over here. That's why.
Tricks of the trade.
Exactly.
Okay. So anyway, you could just dump this on there, but we're all about the presentation. Now I'm going to.
I'm salivating. I'm salivating.
Now this is really the money moment.
Oh wow.
Buttery, a little bit of kick,
Oh wow.
a little deliciousness. Okay.
That.
Is amazing. And you've got our homemade ranch right there.
Yes, I've got napkins. I've got everything.
That a boy could need.
You gave me a fork, but
you could. They're like wings. You could pick them up, and I would offer either forks or toothpicks to your guests.
All right.
I know. I'll pick one up if you want.
There we go. Are you ready?
I am so ready for this. I love buffalo wings and I love shrimp.
What
How's that
on
possible?
earth?
Isn't that amazing? And Wesley, if you know Wesley, if he can't be too fishy tasting, he's hit or miss with shrimp. So what's the verdict?
Oh no, I'm not. Well,
No, I shouldn't say hit or miss, but
these are. Hold on.
I'm telling you, your gas will flip. You'll flip. I'm gonna flip. Are you flipping?
I'm flipping.
He's flipping out.
That's 100,000% Loon approved.
Yeah, again.
That's so crazy how good that is.
Isn't it phenomenal? I'm telling you, it's so good. It is so wonderful.
I love it so much. I want to.
Devour it.
Yeah, I want to make a fool of myself right now. Wow.
Well, you guys, it's easy to do. It's so much fun. It's entertainment.
So easy.
At its best. I tell you though, that blue cheese dressing.
Yeah, and it's interesting enough that your people will be like, wow, you're
that
really
one,
cool.
boy, you're kinda
Look at you. You're cutting edge.
Yeah, boy, I like you. I'm gonna hang out with you more often. So anyway, I've got the recipe for the blue cheese dressing.
Oh, yeah.
It's super good and it all goes together perfectly. All right, have we convinced you? Yes!
Make them.
Make buffalo shrimp!
Be cool and make mushroom shrimp.
Bye, everybody!